The man who once posed as a member of the Rockefeller family is on trial. He is charged in Los Angeles with a murder that happened nearly 30 years ago. Bill Whitaker shows us why the defendant is more mysterious than the crime.
Christian Gerhardt's writer has lived most of his life conning others with fake names and fantastic tales. He was a Rockefeller, a Mountbatten, a British baronet.
He passed out business cards saying he was Christopher Chichester, the 13th baronet with his family crest.
Even his own defense attorney is less than flattering.
It's sometimes human nature to blame the drifter or the grifter or the con artist, isn't it?
His defense attorneys are going to want you to believe that he's a con man, a guy, a lowlife who changes his names, mooches, he's loud. Prosecutors want you to believe that he's all those things and he killed John Solis.
John Solis and his wife Linda vanished in 1985. By then, this con artist had a new name, Chris Chichester, and a new residence, the couple's guest house. Linda was never seen again. The bones of John Solis were found buried in his backyard 9 years later, his fractured skull wrapped in plastic bags from the suspect's alma mater. Investigators wanted to talk to Chichester, but he was long gone, taking on a new life and a new wife on the East Coast. Frank Gerardo wrote about the man who posed as Clark Rockefeller in his book, Name Dropper.
He's basically a guy who brought a lot of people into a con. He conned the upper echelons of American society. This is not the guy that you typically see in a downtown Los Angeles courtroom facing a murder charge.
He might never have been here if not for a bitter divorce. After his wife discovered he was no Rockefeller, he was arrested and convicted in 2009 of kidnapping their daughter during a supervised visit. Investigators in L.A. made the match and charged him in the cold case murder. But the defense is pointing the finger at someone else.
It could well have been John Solis's vanished wife, Linda.
In a story full of twists and turns, this one seems far from over. For CBS This Morning, I'm Bill Whitaker in Los Angeles.